In this video I'm going to show you how to play We Don't Talk About Bruno. And it sounds like this. Via the link in the description you can download the lyrics with the chords above so you can play the guitar and sing along. Now we're going to start with the tutorial. You have to start with the capo on the first fret and we're going to start at the chorus, which sounds like this. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. We have to start with the G chord. And we're going to play this chord the easy way with only the G string, the B string and the thin E string. So we don't have to play the thick E string, the A string and the D string. So the G chord is the open G string, the open B string and the third fret on the thin E string with your ring finger. And after the G chord we have to play the F sharp chord. And for this chord you need to slide your ring finger one fret back to the second fret. Place your index finger on the second fret of the B string and your ring finger on the third fret of the G string. And these are the chords for the chorus. So we have to play the G chord, then the F sharp, 2, 3, 4, the G chord and the F sharp. And there's a strumming pattern for the chorus and it sounds like this. And with the G chord you have to play this strumming pattern. Down, 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 up. One more time. And down, 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 up. And then we have to slide to the F sharp chord and play only an upstroke and a mute after the upstroke. Up, 2, 3, 4, up, mute, 2, 3, 4, up, mute. So the G chord and the F sharp chord in a row. Down, 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 up, mute. 2, 3, 4 again. And down, 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 up, mute. And that's the whole chorus. And if you learned something from this video so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel, because it helps me a lot. In the verse you have to start on the B minor chord. And we have to play the B minor chord like this. The second fret on the thin E string, the third fret on the B string and the fourth fret on the G string. And also with this chord we only have to play the G, the B and the E string, like all the chords in this song for now. And after the B minor chord we have to play the E minor, and we don't play it like this, but we only play the open G, B and E string. So we'll have the B minor, E minor, and after the E minor we're going to play the F sharp chord, which we've learned from the chorus. And after the F sharp chord we have to play the E minor again. So we have to play B minor, E minor, F sharp, E minor. Again, B minor, E minor, F sharp, E minor. And the strumming pattern goes like this. At the B minor chord we have to play down, down. With the E minor chord we have to play down, up. So the B minor and the E minor in a row. Down, 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 up again. And down, 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 up. And then we have to play the F sharp chord. And with the F sharp chord we have to strum 2 upstrokes. Again, and again, and. And after this chord we have to play the same strumming pattern with the E minor chord, so 2 upstrokes. So we have F sharp, E minor, F sharp, E minor. after the upstroke of the E minor, you have to play a mute. So you play the F sharp, up, E minor, mute. So again, mute. And after this E minor chord, you have to start from the B minor again. So the whole strumming pattern sounds like this. And we start on the B minor. Down, 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 up, 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 and down, 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 up, 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 up. And you have to play this 3 times. And after these 3 times, you have to play the chords of the chorus again. So down, 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 up, mute. And then you start with the B minor again. So the whole verse sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, and down, 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 up, and down, down, to the G chord, and down, 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 up, 2, 3, 4, and repeat from the B minor. I hope that I learned you how to play We Don't Talk About Bruno on the guitar. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.